Hi guys! So it's been a little while since I have posted a video. I'm really sorry about that. If you're new to my channel, my name is Haley and I'm a professional makeup artist, and I post videos about my life and also just sharing makeup tips along the way. I have an event to go to today. That's why I am in full glam right now and a fancy dress. I just finished getting ready and I obviously need to put on some jewelry. I don't have any earrings on right now, and I've been really wanting a pair of like drop earrings, kind of like just a diamond stud that kind of like hangs down. I've been seeing so many girls wearing those recently and I've really wanted a pair, so I got this package over the weekend and I figured I would save it and wait to open it so that you guys can see and open it with me. So this is from Lane Woods Jewelry. I finally ordered a pair of earrings and I wanted to wait and do an unboxing with you guys. And I've actually had my eye on this brand for a while, and these I know are going to be gorgeous, so let's open them. I'm excited. Oh my gosh, they are perfect. This is like the perfect size. So they look like studs, but they're actually not. They just have them in this little like ring box. But this is what they look like. I'll insert another clip where you can see them sparkling better because I'm just in natural light right now. This is how they look. So they're kind of like, they're not hoops, but they kind of go in like a hoop would. So they just go in like that, and then you just push the little lever back. And that's how they look. I'm gonna put the other one in really quick. I think these look so classy, and it's just kind of something different than your everyday stud. I feel like studs are perfect, but if you are going to kind of like a fancier event, these are just so good for that type of thing where you want to look a little bit fancier. You might want like kind of a little dangly situation. These are so perfect. I'm so happy. I feel like this is the perfect size. So these are 2 carats total. So each earring is a carat, which I think is the perfect size. It's timeless, it's classy. So the stone is moissanite, which is just a little bit softer than a diamond. It's almost exactly the same. So it's very durable and great for everyday wear. It's not gonna get cloudy over time like a cubic zirconia would. Moissanite also has more fire than a diamond, which means it's a lot more sparkly than a diamond is because it has like a double refraction. So I love that because when the light hits it, it just sparkles like crazy and looks beautiful. Round moissanites look identical to diamonds, so nobody would know that these weren't diamonds. And the metal is sterling silver with white gold plating over it. So these are very good for daily wear. You can shower in them and they're not gonna turn your ears green or tarnish over time. I'm really excited about these because I've been wanting to add something like this to my daily jewelry rotation. It would also be really pretty with like another dangle in your second hole if you have a second hole. These also come in yellow gold and rose gold plating. These would also make the most perfect anniversary gift, wedding gift. You could wear these if you're a bride on your wedding day. These would be so classy for a wedding look. They would make a great birthday gift, really any occasion. I don't know who wouldn't want to receive a pair of these. Lane Woods also has rings, necklaces, bracelets, anything you could want, and you can use my code Haley15 to get 15% off your purchase. They even have engagement rings on their website as well, so I would definitely check them out. They would also make great travel rings if you already have an engagement ring and you just want to get another ring to kind of like wear when you travel if you're worried about losing your ring. I'm already eyeing a few things on the website that I want to get next. The quality of their products is just 10 out of 10 amazing, and the packaging is so high quality. This velvet box that they sent the earrings in is so pretty, and I always use these type of things when I travel. I'll put a link to their website in the description box as well as my discount code if you want to check out their website and pick up a piece for yourself or get a gift for somebody. I feel so grateful to be partnering with Lane Woods, and I absolutely love my earrings. These earrings were just the perfect finishing touch for my look, and now I'm all ready to go for my event. I will catch up with you guys later after the event and continue this vlog. Okay guys, so I want to teach you how I make my favorite everyday go-to coffee. I'm obsessed with it right now, so I just wanted to show you guys how I make it. I have been mostly drinking matcha since like last December, and I never really was a coffee drinker before. I would just have like decaf tea, but I found a really good coffee that's decaf. My mom actually introduced me to this coffee. It's from the brand Illy, which I think is an Italian brand. Yeah, made in Italy. This is decaf ground coffee. So I have a espresso machine, which I'll show you in a second when I start making my coffee, but I'm gonna have a decaf, especially because it's already 12:30. Sometimes I have matcha in the morning, and then sometimes I'll have this decaf iced coffee. So I'm gonna show you guys my recipe. It's like a honey cinnamon, low calorie, dairy free, and I've been making it a lot recently, so I thought it would be fun if we did a little recipe for it. So let me just move my camera and I'll show you how I do it. Okay, so this is my coffee machine. It's a DeLonghi Magnifica, and I think they've redone the way it looks on the outside, but I know they still sell this model. So what I do when I first turn it on is I press the ground coffee button, and then I open up this little latch here, and I grab the little scoop that comes in it, and I'm just gonna take a scoop of my coffee, kind of heap it a little bit, and then I put it in this little hole right here, and then I just shut it. And now I'm gonna get my espresso cups ready. So I have these little glass ones that I got on Amazon. They're really great. They're heat proof. So in one of them, I'm gonna put some honey. So I usually do like a quarter of a teaspoon to like a half of a teaspoon. It just depends on like how sweet I want it. You can do more, obviously. Like for my husband, I'll usually do like a full tablespoon, but I don't like a lot of added sugar, so I just do a little bit, just enough to like get it sweet. I also just don't like sickeningly sweet coffee. That's just not really my thing. And then I'll just set my spoon to the side because I'll need it in a minute. Then I have this little cinnamon shaker. I bought the container on Amazon and just put some cinnamon in it. It kind of just makes it a little bit more of a fine sprinkle. So I'm going to sprinkle some of that in the bottom. You can do as much or as little as you want. Don't do too much though, because it kind of gets a little too grainy if you do too much. Then I'm just going to place my cups underneath of the machine, and I'm going to press the double shot button. Okay, and while that's going, I'm gonna take my almond milk. I like this Malk vanilla almond milk, unsweetened. I normally use this, or I use unsweetened soy milk. It just depends on what I have. Soy milk's a little bit creamier, I find, but they're both really good. Sorry, the machine is making so much noise. Then I have this vanilla bean paste. This is from Native Vanilla, and I'm literally just taking like a tiny bit, like not a lot at all, and putting that in my milk. And then I'm using one of these little electric frothers to froth up my milk and just blend that vanilla bean paste in. And then I'm just mixing up my espresso that has the honey in it, pouring that in. Then I'm gonna add my milk. My camera battery just died, so I switched over to my phone, but this is the final result. Doesn't it look so good? I'm so excited to drink this. I also have this green juice that I made yesterday. It has spinach, celery, cucumber, apple, lemon, ginger, and carrot. I think that's everything. So I'm gonna drink some of this. I probably won't drink this whole thing because this is a lot of juice. I always put my juice on ice because it tastes so much better when it's really ice cold. Ooh, this is really good. I kind of forgot what it tasted like because I made some yesterday and I drank it yesterday, but then I had a whole nother bottle left over. So yeah, it's really good. It's not too sweet, but it's not too like green either, but it has a lot of greens in it. Also, I love my nail color right now. I know I might get questions about it. So the first layer, or like the first coat, was Left Him on Red by D&D gel polish, and then 2 coats of Striking Red from D&D. And these are like a short coffin shape. So this is supposed to be like the Dubai chocolate dupe.
It's good.
It does look a lot like it.
It's good.
Good morning, you guys. It's not that early, but it feels early because I went to bed a little bit late last night. It's 9 o'clock and it's Easter morning, which I'm so excited about. I love Easter. We are doing a lot of stuff today. So first we're going to church, then we're going to the country club for like a late brunch at like 1:30, I think. After brunch, we're gonna go to my aunt and uncle's house and do an Easter egg hunt with my cousins. We're all like the same age, and we haven't done an Easter egg hunt together in years. Like, I don't even know how long. It's probably been like a decade, maybe longer. I don't really know. My husband is upstairs sleeping. He'll probably be getting up soon because we're leaving to go to church in an hour and 20 minutes, and I'm about to start doing my makeup. You can see here I have all my makeup set up. Yeah, and I'll update you guys in a little bit after I finish filming, and then I'll show you guys my outfit and everything too because it's really cute. Hair and makeup is done. Lettuce on my plate for me.
I got this.
Don't eat that. I think you're supposed to eat that part.
Yeah, I know.
What's the other stuff?
I don't know. Chocolate.
Chocolate, donut.
Carrot cake.
Try the egg thing.
Here's one for Greg.
Is that the yolk? Is that a yolk?
It kind of tastes like soury.
It looks like the actual egg.
It's fruity.
Interesting. Did they label it with anything?
I don't know.
I think he just wanted to leave.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Easter's on its way. Bringing every girl and boy. Things to make sure.
These aren't hitting that hard. Rosie's chasing us. Yeah, she's right behind you.